Hello and welcome to the third video in the Primo teaching series for the grade 2 piece, the sewing machine. In this video we are looking at bars 19 to the end of the piece, and this is on your second page of the piece. So we're going to dive straight in to the right hand. Now, as I've shown you on the previous videos, the left hand just stays the same, doing D, E, like that sewing machine sound in the treble clef, apart from the last two bars where it goes D, rest, E, rest, D, rest, E, rest. So we're just going to park the left hand for now and learn the right hand. Now, one important thing to note about this part is it starts in the treble clef, but then it goes to bass clef, treble clef, bass clef, and then ends in the bass clef. So you've got to make note of that. And you see the words, it says quasi, which means cross. So literally your right hand crosses over your left hand as you play this section here. So it starts in the treble clef, starts on B, and then in the bass clef it starts on middle C. Okay, so I'm just going to look at this right hand bit for you. So it starts on the B for 1.5 beats, going 1 dot rest. So B, A, G, rest, B dot A, G, rest, and then you move your fourth finger down to middle C, going 4, rest. So C, B, A, rest at the end, then you hop back up to B, A, G, rest, and then back down to C, going rest. Okay, so this is the top line, second page, so we're going to do that again. So B, A, G, rest, C, B, A, rest, B, A, G, rest. So I want you to practice crossing a couple of times. So now I just want you to put your left hand here, and it's not your left hand not doing anything, and go B, A, G, C. That's what you're doing, crossing over back and forth each time, while your left hand is doing that sewing machine sound. So boom, cross, 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 and then from 23 onwards it's literally G in the bass clef, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest, and then again C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, off. So there's four lots of 4 at the end. So I'd count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, and then off. Okay, so I'm going to go from the cross section again. So B, just put your hand there so you practice crossing over. So B, A, G, cross, B, A, G, cross. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest, rest, rest. C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, off. So quite a long time holding that right hand. Okay, so we're now going to try 19 to 22 together. So your left hand is on the D and the E here, and your right hand here. So it's B. Okay, so it's together, and then you cross over, going. So together, left, right, together, left, and then together, left. So remember I said earlier about basically zoning out your left hand, so you're just doing that, and you almost don't even think about it, so you're only thinking about your right hand. So it's B, and then focus on the right hand. 4, 3, 2. And then back up to B, no G, cross. Because in this section, your left hand is still very staccato-like, very short and spiky, but your right hand is smooth with those curved slurs over it. So it's da. Okay, so we're going to do that together. So it's together, and then together, left, right, together, left, together, and then together. And then bar 23, you just hold your thumb on the G and go 1. And then C, B, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest, 2, rest, 3, rest, 4, rest. Okay, so we're going to go from bar 22, which is the final crossover, where your right hand's on the middle C. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, rest, 2, rest, 3, rest, 4, rest. Okay, so we're going to do that one more time. So for bar 22, so this is your right hand with the scrunchie crossed over your left hand. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 together, left, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest, 2, rest, 3, rest, 4, rest. Okay, well done. So we're going to have a brief look again at the dynamics and articulation. So dynamics wise, it says P, so it's quiet. And it says crash, so you do a little crescendo here on that final crossover bit. And then it says dim, so it means diminuendo into P. So it's getting quieter again after that crescendo, and then another decrescendo to basically fade out to the end. So this whole part from bars 24, you're basically getting quieter and quieter and quieter. Like, imagine the sewing machine is losing, maybe it's just losing momentum, it's doing its final stitches, it's going chick, 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 chick. Final stitches on a piece of clothing, and then just fades out at the end. Okay, so I'll play it to you so you can see what it sounds like. So this is from bar 19. You can play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quieter. And quieter. Quieter. And then hands off. It really fades out at the end.